So I met this girl, Wila Tlakula. I realized fela ke msheba gore man, o possessed this lady o ba mtlisitseng wa ba. Bona le some spirit nje se mo keneng. Jwale phoofolo ene le yona e arabang. O lla moya o tjho gai ngiyaphuma kule ngane ngiyahamba manje. So kanti hayi uzama retriever moya wa ba. So ka bona immediately this girl I emel tswa matha pelo ya ko nna mo mathise ka pele a tswa ka gate pelo ga e tswa o mo mathise ska relax ka nnete o mo mathiseng wa ka tore a tswa ka gate a fetsa tswa ka gate wa hlalla koloi e tla speedile.
Three, two, one, action.
Sanibonani bafethu lapha emakhaya. Welcome guys. Sipho Hatebe, it's my name. As you know by now bafethu, I'm so excited today bafethu. Tutorial Fortman like vandag. So yeah, it's about to go down. Please guys, lapha mkhona emakhaya, please stay tuned. I know you've been waiting for this moment. Finally it has come, it has arrived. So yeah, we've been waiting for you. Where have you been? Welcome. Lapho nithatha khona data, free Wi-Fi bafethu. Nalezi izimpintshi zami ezinenyuku ngicela ukuthi akuthumele idatha lapho uzokhona ukubona uSipho leyipobo mara ezethu leyipobo bafethu akusezika Hadebe ezethu siyazishare bafethu yo Sipho nona naleyipobo zakhe bafethu ezethu bafethu. Welcome. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe, notification, cling, subscribe bafethu. Let us know what you think about the show. Let us know how can we improve bafethu as the Soweto bafethu, as the podcast bafethu. Yes, this is the mouthpiece of Elon. It's a mouthpiece yasekasi bafethu. You know bafethu. Maspigile sangena rakena rathathamol yonke into ibakren. Senganyo bafethu. Please don't you go anywhere. Bafethu, the voice of Sorted is here. Thank you bafethu. Awuthi
Delegate.
Is it?
Ngiyaphila.
Nalena ngiyaphila Shefot manek. Urichaketse fana.
That's
It's good to have you.
I lina galebo.
It's good to have you on the show. Thank you, Awuthi. Thank you, Awuthi. Awuthi, how did you know about Soweto podcast?
Soweto podcast. I think through episode.
Yeah.
Episode. One of my patients.
Yes.
Talibito Ketsolo.
Yes.
Yeah. So okay. Can you go through that? Kabona ne trend hanta. So ka kopana leona. And then ka sutra hester sa hai. Leona njoetsa ka yona after nako. So yeah, nkacho for again introduce the also it's a podcast.
And how did you find the show? How did you find that episode? Was it interesting? Or like, or was it like, yeah.
Yo, I'd first actually ha kutlwisisa hantle ha sa hlalosa ku class door sa buang ka sona. And then I realized no, o bua ka nna. And then o bua ka thuso e ila ithola from me. So that nje ile yangithatha.
Okay.
Yeah, I felt very special.
Yes.
And then kabali interest ka tsena sekelatela di show tse ding wa bo. So ka bona msebetsi wa lona, and then I was inspired. So le tse ding tsa ba bang he ka nne ke bona ditori tsa teng.
Yes.
So ka realize gore ka mo kantle batho ba hloka thuso, you know.
That's true.
And it's not easy o thola batho ba right. Ba bang they struggle o thola dingaka tse sharp wa bo. Tse ka ba thusa the situation tse mo ba leng mo tsona, right?
Yes.
So I felt very touched and got inspired at the very same time because I feel I didn't know how the thuso ya ka e entse impact e kana bophelong ba hae wa bona. So after that episode I got a big fan of your podcast. So ka latela le di show tse ding he ka bona o ka mo kantle ho etsala.
We should be. I would really appreciate you coming through, and thank you so much. And just for making a follow-up. And then meet you so live and to us soon. Yeah, no. So people don't know you.
Okay.
Yeah, so let us formally introduce you to the show.
Right.
Please let us know who you are, Omang, Wamang, Otsoakai, Ohula Zhuang, Ohula Libomang.
Okay.
Just give us the works a bit.
All right, sika kalibito ke mkhulu Mafi. So yeah, ke holela mo Soweto. I can say ke hlahetse mo Soweto. So but ona no ka o dula ke dula Katlehong. So which is around Gauteng, Joburg, East Rand. So ke mo ke sebeletsang teng.
Okay.
So ke ngaka, ke moporofete. So ke thusa batho, mosebetsi wa ka is to fodisa batho ba kulang. Batho ba tlang ka mathata, e ka ba mathata a moya, e ka ba eng, le counseling I can say, because re deala ka batho ba going through the challenges tse
That's
fapaneng.
true.
So ba bang I can say ke a ba healer just by go bua le yena fela motho. Because ba bang mathata ba tlang ka ona, o thole gore motho o need an advice. O mo fe an advice or o mo bontshe tsela gore no, tlohela ho etsa tje, etsa so, lokisa mo le mo, then life ya motho ya change. So cause ba bang ba teng ba tlang ba hlokang thuso ya gore tshwanetse o mo alafe o mo sebetse. O mongwe o tla o need-a just gore o mo mamele. So mo fa tsebe ya hao, o mong motho wa phela wa fola, and then by just o mo rapella fela, o mong bophelo ba hae ba fetoha. So I can say nna mosebetsi wa ka is to just ho thusa batho ba hlokang thuso, ke ona mosebetsi wa ka ko o etsang.
Okay, clear, Butok. Let us dive into mosebetsi wa on daily basis a bit,
Okay.
and then so that we get a broader aspect and understanding,
Yeah.
especially from Saitila Austulo,
Okay.
where she got an assistance.
Yeah.
And as you said, Hori, you know what, when I got so touched.
Yeah.
And then as you were watching so many episodes,
Yeah.
and then you then realize, Hori, no.
Yeah.
People are going through so many situations that are putting us in bondage. I would take up or shall say or when as a person,
Yeah.
mosebetsi on daily basis. How do you describe your work? What are you dealing with on daily basis? And how do you overcome all the challenges and people's challenges that we are going through relevant?
Okay. So on daily basis, mosebetsi wa ka is to ho tla batho ba fapaneng, number one. Okay, ba bang ba tla for consultation. So motho a fihla for consultation o na le mathata. So now if ha fihlile ho nna motho, then ntho ya pele is to ke mo amohele, and then o tla iketsha hore ke mang yena. Ha fetsa ho iketsha, then ke tlo phahla ke beele badimo gore ngwana lona ke o fihlile o hloka thuso. So by ho etsa jwalo ke etsetsa gore le ancestors tsa hae di atamele. So di tsebe, di be aware gore ngwana hae tje ko batlile mo hantlentle ke eng a tlo e etsa, or ke eng thuso a tlo e kopa. So and then le nna ke invite le baka at that time, so that the spirit tse di kgona gore di connect, di kgona communicate. Gore it's like ha ke phahla, I'm also asking for permission from le badimo ba hae, ba kgona gore ba connect le baka, so that they can share the messages. Through those messages, ke nna hae ke tlabe ke kgona gore ke pick up gore badimo ke discussion e ba bang le yona about life ya patient e tlo e tlile tlo consult. So I can say ke ona mosebetsi ko etsang, just to thusa batho ba tlileng, and others ba na le gore ba be le mathata, o thole gore mathata ba na le bona bo ko lapeng kwa dulang teng. So ke a sebetsa le malapeng, o thole gore ke ntsha diphoofolo kapa ke ntsha ditshiboloshi, o thole gore mo lapeng wa lwaniwa memoya e mengata e mebe. So le mo ke a sebetsa le batlang ba hlokang bana le bona ka ba lafa. So ke deala nje with a lot of things, but from day to day mosebetsi wa ka is to just be there and be available for people who need help. Yeah, so nka describe mosebetsi wa ka jwalo. So ba bang ba ya takge, o thole gore motho o mong a tlile ha hloke tse ngata fela, o hloka o mo rapelle, o mong o mo phahlise, just fela gore o mong ke mohlomong o mise ko hlane or o mise ko thabeng. O thole gore by so doing that o kgona gore dintho tsa hae di bulehe, you understand? Because sometimes badimo ba bang, for us to connect le bona, we need to re ye ko plekeng tsa bona. For example, hlane or metsing or thabeng. That's when ba kgona gore ba utlwe ba utlwe mathata o thole gore o isitse patient there a re man ke a phahla right ko tlong ke a phahla but I feel like badimo ba ka ha ba nkutlwe or ntho e ke ba kopang yona ha ba nkutlwe so o thole gore no solution is gore motho a isiwe hlane or a isiwe thabeng or a isiwe metsing that's where mo ba tlo kgona gore ba mutlwe teng wa nthola cause o thole gore sometimes mo malapeng mo ba dulang teng go na le memoya e mengata wa nthola e mebe so e etsa gore go be thata for badimo ba kgona gore ba atamele wa nthola so wa etsahala ka nako o thole gore ntlo e be lefifi ke memoya e mebe so go ba thata for ancestors ba kgona go atamela ha o le jwalo wa nthola so nka tjho gore mosebetsi wa ka is to pray and then ho hila batho ka metsi ka diwasho kapa ka meriana so each and every patient e tlang mathata after consulting se ke thotse mathata hae so the solution e tswa hona mo through that consultation so it's like akina formula A1 ho hila batho wa ntho so ke guidwa ke the ancestors wabo so that's when I know okay a tlileng today bothata bo ana leng bona badimo kapa moya o ke lokise mathata a ka tsela e je so then ke latela moya hantle ke tla re ke challenge it was an early experience a challenging yeah I can say so I met this girl o ile a tla kula so but o tlisitswe ke bo ausi ba hae so ba mtlisa he ko Ndumbeni so but I realized fela ke msheba gore man o possessed this lady o ba mtlisitseng wabo gona le some spirit nje se mokeneng ke mbona gore motho a se yena hantle but at the very same time ke yena wabo cause nasa realize lo go mo kae o go etsalang le gona batho it's like nasa re bone wa nthola so ba mtlisa ge ha ba mtlisa situation ya hae it was very bad wabo so by that time like moya wa tsoa wabo monna so it's like ka tshwara ke dlozi so ha tshwara ke dlozi it's like manje se ke bua ditaba tse a tlileng ka tsona wabo so bana ba le teng koko ne ke na le yena at that time so ya ba go gona go mamela o tlo hantle bonkgono ha ba tswile ho nna ba reng ka auso ba motlisitseng so ka bua wa thola la gae auso o na ile ngake so mo na ile ngakeng ko teng o na isitse ke mkhotsi or a colleague so motho hantle le yena she's a lady okay le yena this patient ke a lady so ba sebetsa kaofela plekeng e one so ba sebetsa kaofela plekeng e one it's like ke batho ba they share like is ba phela kaofela ba share and ba jwetsana mathata bona so then o ne ba mplisitse ge a ba botsa colleague ya man ha o tsebe ngaka kae na around ke na le mathata like ke hloka thuso so kanti colleague ya mo refera somewhere ge around Joburg na le mo referileng teng he ya misa kwa ke ngake so also amdimo a fitla mo he a ifumana ngaka e wa ithola ile teng well ha ithola ile teng kanti also ha fetsa mo dropa a vela sa itsamaela he o musile ona mo go ga zanga sala tedisisa go o setse jwang ho etsala a musia ona mo ngake so a fitla mo ngakeng so a thola go ngaka ipitsi highly busy ya ba go wa emela he ka ntle wa nkutlisisa ha ntsa emetse ya fitla chance ya hayo ga kena Ndumbeni house ke tlambitsa ka Thembi house ne so Thembi again ha kena he ka Ndumbeni ba mo consult ba mo jwetsa mathata hae ba mo jwetsa so it happened gore after the consultation ba ile he ba buisana ka tsele ba buisanang ka yona and then wa etsala ga ba fetsa consult then this lady a offerwa dijo ke ngaka e ha mo offerwa dijo so this lady a change her from then a change her like a banka go ba le sedidi so a sa gona o tsamaya a sa gona o khutlela hae so ngakena gae ha ona mo ya ngotlo go bala mo gobane badimo ba ka ba re tshwanetse ko isa nokeng bosiu ka 12 and jwalo ka se kgone go kgutlela morao tlo ba wa tsamaya tsatsi le latelang so kante ba mo tshwere ona mo also so le yena na sa kgone ilaola but watch already na kgona ho notice man something is strange ka yena wa bo so on that day ge wa etsahala he ha sa le dizzy jwalo ba no o fuwe dijo jwale dijo tse di sebetsa ka yena di mo kgathaditse ha sa kgona lo ga tsamaye ha sa tseba lo re a ka itwanela kapa a tswe a bale so then ya ba situation e jwalo so also kante ba tla monka bosiu vele ka 12 ngaka e monke ba e nokeng so ba fihla nokeng ba etse a ritual e ba yentseng so it's like this lady ne ba mo sebetsa ka kgoenso jwale kgoena enso ne ba mo jesa yona like e le tala wa nkutlwisisa so it's like ngaka e butse ha e fetsa e bula but e mo jesa nama teng but nama eo ne sa a e sebeditse ngaka e so a e kentse dintho so o na thebola badimo ba hae na thebola badimo ba ausi so also o tloha hae mo hae a sa kgutlela hae like it's like ne setse nje a sa ipona le yena a sa itseba lo re ke mang so wa tholala hore he a hlahela ke kotsi also le ngaka e ya be am hlikifetsa wa nkutlwisisa so I got am hlikifetsa so I met this lady after all this story bohloko bo a fitileng go bona gobane o escape-ile ka tsela e nngwe le yena na sa nahana na sa gae a ikamohetse sa gae mo a o sana mo ke yang ne ba mo khieletse le mo khiela so o ile a ba le hlonolo bana o na le ngwana o nantsa utlwa o na le motho o kguang ka mo bana ba yena ngakae so a tsa bua le ngwana a shasha ngwana gore a mo bulele a tswe ka mo kamoreng ko ba le wa hae kante ngaka e ne e le busy ka ndumbeng so a kgona ho escape so ka sa thola thuso he bathong until a ba fihla hae jwale o fihla hae wa hae ka se ba mo tlisa he ho nna so a thola la hore aish a moya o ba o kentseng mo yena ai wa lwana ebile wa bua so ne le demon le ne le phela o yena also obane ke opola ha ntse re consult so ha ntse re consult ai man go na le some voice e tswang mo yena also ya tshwera ngeke ningenze lutho ngeke ningikho so ke bue le yona ntwe emphela mina ke mbotse ke eng wetsala aga ngiyazi ngifuna ukungikhipha umntwana wami lo ngibusa kuye yebo bangifakile kuye ukuthi imosha impilo yakhe simbuze sithi ubani athi buza yena ngoba uyazi lenyanga abuya kuyo uyaybo so haibua jwalo ke mo retiselletsang teng thapelo re zamo tshwara ausona ba nna sa laole bona le mo ile le dikeresa di ragela kwa kore yeah it was a very challenging experience cause moya yena no lwana le rona no lwana so I was with Gogo so moya yena no lwana like physically u pusha everything u destroy everything mondumbeng wabo so it was a challenge but wabalento eremana no don't give up ke lwane ka nnete ke motshware re zama hore re motshware re mdulise hantle re mtsubise re malafe re kope re phahle re rapele o benka wa gutla wabo jwale moya o so o tshora nyasha wa bua moya nyasha nyangshisa wa bona ntwe so re magapelle ka matla mara o be le ntwe hore o stubborn the spirit kill demon so le araba and le etsa hore ne le zama hore le re discourage o be senkare ntwe re etsa ngare so but ke rai wena re ka sutse ka wena so re tisa o le ka thapelo re rapele so antse re rapela jalo o bue moya ona re a sengiyaphuma manje sengiyaphuma ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi aningifuni uyabo so njengoba ningangifuni mina bengizoyimosha vele impilo yalomntwana ngithunyelwe ukuthi ngizomosha impilo yalomntwana nje ngiyenze nzima ngivale nalesiphiwo anaso ka ubani wona unanalinewe yabo ngkholi bontatemolo jwale sidimo sa necessifetuthu sa fiwe phofolo unkiwe badimo ba hae ba utsisi jwale phofolo ene le yona e arabang ha tshwantse o bue badimo ha o sa bua badimo o bua phoofolo e phelang. Jwale by the time moso o lla moya o tjho hayi ngiyaphuma kule ngane ngiyahamba manje. So kanti hayi uzama uretrika moya wabo. So ka bona immediately this girl a emella a tswa matha pelo ya re ko nna mo mathise ka pele a tswa ka gate pelo ga e tswa o mo mathise ska relax ka nnete o mo mathiseng wa ka tore a tswa ka gate a fetsa o tswa ka gate wa hlalla koloi e tla speedile bo rane ke sa fihla mo ka mtshwara ka ba ile a chaisa ke koloi. So it means nesa le possessed in such a way gore spirit ne se se bona gore no e re ke nke bophelo ba hae. And ne se se bona gore hae jwalo thuso sa tlo e thola. Jwale moya o mobe hangata wa lwana, especially ha o fiwe tulo o rometswe tulo e itseng gore e ya motho o itseng e ba it's like ikhaya nje o batla gore o buse ona mo wa nthola. So ya bantu e ka ke mtshwara a o so ka pele re zama re mo khutlisa re mo rapella re mo kenya bava re metsang a ka nnete ka se o tswa moya o mobe so tsamaya he so ngala au sio sa khutla e so bua yena jalo au sa botsa gore ke kae ho etsalang right on le yena o confused ha itsebe le gore ke mang so o tiz o na le sieze so ka nantsa khutla a nantsa khutla jalo a o fihlela aba hantle ntate wa ka hobane mara teng mola rile ra sebetsa haholo hobane le lona tsatsing leo ka re tla mo isa he re misano keng o mohlatswa re tseng ka sa khutla e sa khona lo hopola hantle hore o hila etsala mo na le teng no etsala ke mona sa a khona go hlalose hantle story. But on that night wa ba difficult a re kopare angeke ngikhona ngiyolala ekhaya cela ukulala la endlini. It's like kona tla feel unsafe cause nali traumatized wabo. So that's when re ra modumela ya robala then the next day re se re feleletsa tshebetso tsa rona re malafa then I came ba right today o sharp everything is sharp mo yena so but until ke zama e gore that's when I realized gore spirit ne se le mo yena ne se batla lwantshiwa even physically. It was not gore se alafiwe fela spiritually but it was more physically. So I can say ke yona one of the challenge enkile ka ban le yona ya mola ke le ka rapela le nna ka be ka khathalo ke la bona rapa ile o khathale o feel alright man ha ke rapela so it's like nothing etsangalang ka go ba worse. But that's when I felt like go badimo bonkgolo bontate mo le ba testa faith ya ka gore ke dumela ha kana kang go bona wa bo. So that's when I realized I know sometimes more wa give up ke mo dintho se di tloka teng.
About how many years experience?
Kadilo it was 2010.
2010.
Yeah, when I accepted the calling. Yeah, which it was tough. I know holy tat. The holy tat because that time. But before then, like I can say Kadilekele primary, the calling. Kadilekele primary, which kind of way I was experiencing like sarobale, next sarobale bsi. Even limtari, next sarobale. So I can say Korke understand today why Mudim Libadim Bantisetsa the patient the struggling ka diluan, the timoni, the tugolo because of I think Badim Nebang gets out go through that phase, Lena Kitokona understand has a to Sabato. But wait ba feta wing by experience right? So I took experience a feeling. By that time, nesanzan kilomotona lim calling fela nexo twas salungwana nje at that time. So nek struggle a holo ka robala ke bona di phofolo ke bona dilwane. Kore I was different kare nna ke iponela ntho tsaka. Like ke makala bana beso ba lekanang le nna bona aba boni next aba utwe next ba ithubaletse ha mnate but nna there was this experience e ne e dula e etsahala ho nna. Sometimes I'd feel like man go na le motho o nkgamang mosiwa ke robetse wa bo, and then ankhese like a ntjwetse mantswe a goreng ngizokubulala wa yebo. So mara ha ke re ke a e sheba man phoofolo ke bona boboya wa bo. So I realized hore ai man ke tshwene ntho eo wa nkutlwisisa, but ya communicate ya bua ya njwetsa hore le haebe ba ka o isa kae o ka se thole thuso. Ke re ai man e tseba jwang ntho eo hobane ko hae at that time ne ba na le hore ba nromele ho baporofeta kapa dingaka hobane ba yo zama ho nthusa, ba yo zama ho bona man hore hantlentle ntho e hlophang ngwana o ke eng wa e bona ntho eo. Hobane nka tjho ke re ne ho na le phoofolo e ne nhlekefetsa like for years wa bo. And during that time ke sa le mnyane like la re ile consultation thole gore a man ke a utlwa ba consulta maybe tsamaya le batho ba baholo ba re hlalosetsa gore ngwana o tshwere ke ntho tje, but ke sa understand hore ke tlele le ntho e gore ke re ai man ho neng ke re ya ko dingakeng, but I feel like a ke fole. And this thing saying gets it's a trauma wa bo. Thole gore even le mtshara experience phoofolo kapa silwane we utlwe kena fela betheng either e nkwala moya or ya nkgama or e nketse like hatelle ka matla ine ya go ka nako e nngwe lahlele fatshe ntlo se betheng wa e bona ntho eo. So ne ke torture ke diphoofolo ke dilwane ke dithiboloshi. So through that experience that's when ke se ke ba ke gona ho bona okay ha ile ko ngakeng ho tje ke bona gore okay like motho ha na le problem so o tlo etsala so kanti no ne na le calling these challenges tse hantle ne di na le calling behind wa e bona ntho eo. Why ne di na le calling? It was because I felt like badimi ne ba prepare for ahead like ntho tse ke tlo kopana le tsona even ha se tse ke amohetse pitso ya bona wa itse. So ha ntse etsala jwalo then after circulating ngakeng tse close to 10 dingaka se ne se ke di tsamaile, so ke feel hore man this thing I fully it's either it nyamalla for a few days and then ya gutla I still experience go gamiwa o kana go ngwe ke a wa betheng kana go ngwe nje ke kwale ya moya, but ntho e ke a e bona but ore ke hlalose nka tjho ke re nka re ke tshwene nka re ke eng, but ke ntho e fela e bupiweng ka tsela e nngwe e sa hlaloseng but e a ntshosa and e yang hatella. Jwale kanti ke ha se e hlaka hantle hore no e na le calling taba e ka mohare, even though there are spiritual attacks also, but it was like badimo as I was saying gore ne ba prepare gore ke tlo understand la se ke kopana le batho ba na le similar problems se ke tseba gore no ntho e ka nnete teng because motho mongwe a mo hlalosetsa ka these things I understand o feel nkare no plus ka gae maybe or mentally disturbed or something wa bo. So ke ebile that experience so kanti ha nako ntse e tsamaya he wa hlaka hore ai badimo ne ba ntukisa and at this very same time he mara up until I met someone na le ngaka e rile ra kopana le yona so yena gona ho nthusa. So through thuso ya hae he then ke mo ka gona ho bona he ka so phama hantle neo e ya bonkgolo le bontatemolo ka se idula he ke mo setse ke qala ka mohela pitso ya bona. So at that time I was still a teen so yeah it was a experience e nngwe e difficult and which o kila bona ha o sa holela mo o ne o na le dingaka teng o ba nka re ntho e qala ka wena like e a tshosa o thola mo ba bang ba lapa o thola ba be le ntho gore ai wena wa ikgethela tsela e why wena o na le yona rona lapeng re sena yona wa nthola ntho kanti no they forget or they were not there ka generation tse ding tse ne di exista before wabo they didn't know what go no etsala and so ya ba jwalo ge ka kena he le tong he ka gola jwalo then ke mo he today then ke kopana le batho ba na leng mathata ona ntho yeah. So I felt like no I'm a right person because of I understand and then ke ba le ke kgona hore ke kgone ho mo kgothatsa like through journey ya ka le nna wa e thola ntho eo. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, le beta di golosh. Ke di eng di tswa kae and then o di remove ka. Maybe to have the first story nyana. I think good.
And also just to put one as well, Anamuti, so that it will be dual questions.
Yeah.
So I would like to know this as well. I think you've touched a bit. Do you feel you were chosen for this calling, or you just felt because no young this, I had no choice? Let's just have those two questions. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah.
All right. No, the calling in kgethile. Yeah, I kgethile nna. So now I believe calling motho o tswala le yona. O tswala le yona, but ho ba le nako e tlo fihla mo e tlo ihlahisa teng. E iponahatse hore ke e teng ya phela ho wena, because o tlo bona ka di-challenges tse o tlo di experience. For example, dintho tse o tlo di bona, it's gonna be dintho tse tshosang. Like o tlo kgona ho pick up even things like from people, like la o mshebile so motho o tlo kgona o bona tse patehileng, wa understand. So hence I believe calling ha yona e kgethile nna ka e kgetha, cause the way le thata ka teng, I don't think motho a ka vela a ikgethela because of e tsamaya le di-responsibilities tse ngata, cause o tshwanela ho adjusta from your personal life le dintho tse o di ratang, o amohele calling ya bonkgono le bontatemoholo. So e o etsa o be matured ka pele, like already ha o kgone experience bophelo jwalo ka motho o mongwe o senang yona. So I believe hore ba nkgethile from a very young age. So yona ne iponahatsa like from kgale ke sa gola through ditoro, wa bona. So I'll dream thole gore go ba le di-incident tse itseng, o thole hore ai man ha se e etsahala ntho se ke bona man hore I know ntho e ke ilorile and jwale ya etsahala, wa e bona ntho. So ntho nka e tjho haholo, story se ile sa nketsa hore ke realize hantle calling e teng ya phela ho nna. I remember there was a friend ya ka o ile ang invite ko kerekeng ya bona. So ke kereke tsa bazalwane, wa bona. So by that time le nna ke sa le mnyane, wa tseba ke a kopa ko hae, batswadi kopa tsamaya le mokgotsi wa ka re ya kerekeng. So then it's fine, ra ya kerekeng. So ha re le mo kerekeng, I realized man moya wa ka no feel somehow, wa bona, cause I realized for church ya bona ba dlala a band, so it's music, loud music. So I realized man spirit sa ka ne se feel irritated, wa bona. Ne ke feel restless nyana man, ke feel hore man this church ha e tsamaelane le nna, wa nkutlwisisa, ha e tsamaelane le preference or ntho ke relatang le yona. So ne ke sa feel sharp, but no ka ba le ntho hore man re ke thabise mokgotsi, ke mo support-e tje go ba mmemme kerekeng ya bona, ke be moo ka nnete ka ba moo. So funny enough ha ntso reriwa ha ba ntse ba rera baruti, it's like now nna ke shebile a movie, I'm watching a movie, ke bona a scene nje, a video of one of the pastors ba ne ba rera kerekeng moo. So it's like yo ke a mbona o ba involved in a car accident. Ha fetsa o ba involved in a car accident, ke a mbona ke o lemetse o dutla madi and o tsamaya le bana ba hae, o tsamaya le mme wa ka tlung. Like ke shebile nje that recording e kaofela, but it's like I'm there ko church but nna ke lefatsheng le leng, wa nthola kore ke bona ntho tse ding le nna tse ke di makaletseng. So o bona that story seo, like pelo ya ka ya vele ya ba bohloko ka re man why ke bona this pastor ntsa rera a ba involved in a car accident, ka nnete ke a mbona ke o lemetse ba o fihla di-ambulance ba mo kwaela eng. But so that time ne ke sa understand gore ke bona a vision, wa bona. Nna ke itjwetsa gore no ke monahano fela o itlelang. So but ay man ka ba emotional man, that azange ka ba right, but azange ka thola funny enough, but azange ka kgona o jwetsa yena ntate o moruti. So ke jwetsitse my friend man, ke re man ke bone ntho so wa ke ntse ke dutse mola. So my friend ra ba gore ha le yena a understand wa bo so ke ra man e re ke jwetsa ausi wa hao cause o moholo so maybe o tla ba le a better understanding so ke mo jwetsa ausi ke bone a vision e so ka moruti a lemala thola accident a hlokala mo torong so ausi cause wa di understand ntho tsa moya a be le ntho ya gore hey serious ke re a re o tla mo jwetsa so ke re no it's fine mo jwetse maybe ntho e ke bone e ka etsahala wa bo hi okay ka nnete le yena a tileya gore a yo mo jwetsa so a lebala or wa etsahalang so few days later ka utlwa gore moruti yena o thotse accident o hlokahetse so pele ya ka ya ba bohloko cause that time ke sa le ngwana ne ke sa understand ka ba le ntho gore maybe nkabe ke mo savile this person maybe if ne ke kgone ho bua le yena kapa ke mo jwetse gore man ke bona kotsi ka yona but at that time le nna ke sa le ntwana ke sa le mnyane ke nana o tlo approacha motho o moholo o mo jwetse ka ntho so ke sa tsebe gore o tlo e receive jwang wa bo so I think from that day that's when I saw gore man ke a kgona ho bona future wa bo and ke a kgona ke mo ke ile ka believe out teng gore this gift e teng ka nnete but even though ya taka story se bohloko where I felt like nkabe ke mo savile probably or maybe lo bua fela le yena probably maybe le leeto leo nkabe a sa lenka wa bo so I can say that experience le yona ke yona ile nketsa gore ya ke feel gore the calling is real and it's not something e o ikgethelang yona ke ntho o tswalang le yona but e ba le nako ya ihlahisa so ha se ihlaya ba bang batho ba tlang ka nkare kona yo possessa kona yo kena kanti no it's been there but e batla gore batho ba ke ba khutlela morao ba ke ba msheba ngwana o hana hola ke di eng ntho tse ne di metsahalla ke di eng ntho tse that's when it will pick up or man no calling ne ntse le mo but ne re sa notice yeah so I can say
say them with what I saw.
Yes.
People are gonna ask him can he devolution
True.
so can you please explain to us for the game devolution it's what guy maybe tell us in the case where you actually experienced it probably just in jail one last story and then thank you.
Okay. All right, tigoloshi it's like sometimes re bitsa ka mabitsa sa tshwane o mo tla re tigoloshi o mo tla re slwan o mo tla re mkhofu so mabitso a utse sa tshwane but somehow I relate because of re tloa re bua ka a negative spirit so a negative spirit which ba di creator ka tsela sa tshwaneng these people ba di creator or the witches ba di creator ka tsela tse sa tshwaneng for example ba bang ba tsosa motho vusa umuntu bavusa umphefumulo womuntu mhlambe mabitleng kube nomuntu nje bamthenge athenge lo moya womuntu kuvuswe nje umoya wakhe bese how to fiwa jalo so ufiwa le msebenzi ore wena msebenzi o tlo etsang ke yo liyo ke batla o ye go semangmang o senya life ya hae wanthola so already by that time ufiwa half it's already because ba mo reka and ba mo tshepisa it's like that soul ya rekwa at the very same time ya tshepiswa if you are chelete or into whatever ba bonang gore this soul wa ihloka because tolo sometimes other people ba ileng ba lahliwe ke di family tsa bona tolo gore abasayi nokuba bayomhlola bayomcheka uthola ukuthi noma vele emaphupheni afuna umsebenzi akasanakwa so motho njalo oba easy gore ba khona gore ba mutswe ba msebenzisa ukusetshenziswa umoya wakhe because of lost ulonely akekho umuntu omnakayo yabo so mabamthenga bayamthembisa ukuthi thina sizokwenzela lokhu noma ulambile sokuhlabela uyayithola nje so uyathengwa lo muntu bayetsa di ritual tse dintse jalo ukuthi ukuthengwa lo mphefumulo lo muntu mawuqeda ukuthengwa then uyalayelwa ukuthi manje uzoya kumuntu so igama lakhe umuntu so uhlala endaweni so and then already asebathwere so liya then akumela wena utloba lento ya gore if you are a lady and this spirit says sa di demon se ba sitseng ke sa monna already se se iketsa partner ya hao already sonali partner but you're not aware of yabo but yena ufuye emsebenzi thengiwe lo muntu so ibasipoko sejwala singasho sithi isipoko yabo isipoko so at the very same time others they use the ntho tsa diphoofolo some of the parts tsa diphoofolo to create memoya e emedi yabo so e create ka tsela tse sa tshwaneng but purpose ya teng e one is to destroy motho o batho ba e romelletse ko yena is to make your life ya motho o gore e be more complicated dintho tsa hae motho o di skeda tsa mahantle so e qala from little thing as jealousy motho o jele mona probably successful kapa ko wena o phumellang o le one so already motho a ngakeng e lawyer then I kope gore hayi man span maybe o tshwere snepe at that time gore nang lo muntu engifuna umenze so that's how di banka teng these things wabo so usually kinalo thola a question utla motare nyas ke isokolla nna ka bonna akina next mara why dira ding latelletse di mpatla why ngithunyela ngezinto ezinzima kangaka kodwa ngingena lutho ngizihluphekela so then that question vele ile nanketsa gore ke makala but then ha ke explainela motho le ndabi kanje ngesinye isikhathi it's not about ukuthi bashebile gore onale eng kapa ha una eng but bashebile tse tlang wena tso sa di boneng because already motho ha to lawyer o etsa sure o consult ka wena that the very same person lo bafuna ukumthakathi baya consulta ngaye and then ba check gore life ya hae e mejwang di blessings tsa hae di mejwang wantona future ya hae e bonahala jwang so it's when they know for no masimthumela ngesilwane sikanje or phoofolo eating re batla ikwale ukuthi angaphumeleli yayithola nje angaphumeleli kusho ukuthi lahle likhona ahlale lapha ahlupheke uyayibona nje so that's when unaluthola motara musinane stand ke rai it means they babona your future they realize into elsayibonile bona already what they saw about consulta maybe babona you can be a millionaire maybe ikaba wena ka fetulang ikhaya lakini ikaba wena nje motho ka break and the generational curse ya hlupheko for lapeng then ba block as well so abashebi only the ntho tsa tshwareyang ba sheba le tse tlang tse mo tseleng so the negative energy tsona di creator ka tsela sa tshwaneng but when it comes to the fodisa ka tsela sa tshwaneng first thing first ha ke consult I need to identify ore ke slwane ke thiboloshi e bupueng ka tsela e jwa so I can easily know for okay if ke tlo sebedisa tsela e tseng ya alafa this it will be easy for me okay khona alafa because ba banga bathwana uze ngikhiphe lesilwane semuntwini omunye kufuneka ayolashwe emanzini omunye kumele ayolashwa entabeni omunye kumele ayolashwa ehlane bantona so depending on for basiyenze jwang basifake kanjani uyayibona nto because esinye bayasifaka ukuthi hayi sirobalelwe ukuthi bakufakela itikoloshi nje elala nawe nje ekuhlukumezayo yenza ukuthi impilo yakho nje ingabi mnandi okanye bayethe for usikathola lemsebenzi uyayibona nto for usikatswela usikatleya uhlupheka nje impilo yakho ingabi mnandi so you understand immediately as opposite ke moya then ubala into ya isolator that's when you develop ale depression yaqala yakena mo setse bating then you find hantu say phetse na potelele ho wena esalukisiwe or esalafiwe then motho o tsena sahlala kena so kopanalela mo tseleng topa dipampiri is because wathakathwa lo muntu ngendlela yokuthini lesilwane sesiphila isikhathi eside kuye so Sesiyiketsetsa fela bophelong ba hae. Ha a sa kgona ho di ipona, ha a sa kgona ho bona hore o topa dipampiri, ha a sa kgona ho bona hore o ja di-dustbin-eng, wa e bona ntho eo. So sona ilwane ne-ethikoloshi nane di etsuwa ka tsela tse sa tshwaneng. But di etsuwa ka tsela.
So, Abuti, you say sometimes other people are not even aware or the state telling song.
Yeah.
I said the state of normality.
Yeah. Moya also mo laola. Sally possessed. Yeah, babang they don't realize. Yeah, they don't realize hore ha e sa le bona se ba buswa ke moya o mobe. So tse ding di-story tse re na le kopana le tsona, re na le kopana le o thola hore motho simbone ngathi uyagula ngekhanda. For example, re na le kopana le ntho tse jalo, maybe kulethwa umuntu kuthiwa uyagula ngekhanda. But motho ha o mo sheba hantle hayi hore o loyiwe, hayi hore o loyiwe akathakathwanga, but unedlozi, unesiphiwo. Ngoba lo muntu lo mawuthi amlalela makakhuluma motho o bua sense, wayibona nje. And then motho o le dintho tsa di buang o bua dintho tse etsahalang, and o bua dintho tse ding le wena o ka be wa tjho gae lo muntu akaguli o ithatha phi le nto ayikhulumayo, yebo. So sometimes running away from a calling e a kgona hore e fetohe jwale e fetohe sera ho wena. Akere it's like ha ba tlo e amohela jwale e ba against wena tse wena tse o di batlang tse o batla ho di achieve o thola hore ha o kgone because ne wena e tlo ema pele e tlo etsa hore o ska kgona ho finyella le tse o di lakatsang. So as I'm trying to say, ba bang batho ba ke kopanang le bona ba ke ba thusang ba bang it's not because of they are sick, but it's because of motho ha latelle purpose e Modimo le badimo ba mfileng yona, ha latelle neo e mfileng yona jwale that is why neo e kena e fetola se metsa hore a pule, se metsa hore o sane a hlanye, se metsa hore o sane kelello ha e sa sebetsa hantle, kanti ke neo e phelang moo wena motho. Jwale ha e sebetse, ha e sa sebetse, ha e sa etse mosebetsi e dutse fela e tlo o hlekefetsa. I like na o etsa hore le di-drugs ba kena batho ba jwale le jwaleng ba kena. So it's because of motho azanga a responda, azanga a latela calling e phelang moyeng.
Abuti?
Yeah.
And then in your own experience, Kore, it will be best when you speak about your experiences na kong. So the questions will just be based on what you've gone through, what you've experienced. Who and Hanzo it's how in just in short, what would you say an evil spirit is?
Yeah.
And how does one become so easily affected by the evil spirits? Or negative entities.
Okay.
Ke eng hantle and motho e nkena high entseng, and also how do you then become immune to those spirits as well?
Okay. An evil spirit e kena batho ka tsela tse sa tshwaneng. Ha ke qale so ha re bua ka evil spirit tje ba ke hlalositse hore ka nako it relates le taba endaba ya sporo. Njengoba ke hlalositse hore ngesinye isikhathi kuvuswa umuntu osekalele setshenziswa umoya wakhe to create le demoni or to create lesilwane or to create a negative energy esingasho sithi evil spirit, yabo. So mabavusa nje umoya womuntu bamnika i-task lo muntu ukuthi go and do this, go and destroy, hamba uyomosha, hamba uyovala lapha kulela khaya abantu bakhona bahlupheke, abantu bakhona bangaphumeleli, abantu bakhona bangalali ebusuku, kusho ukuthi kube nento egijimayo phakathi emzini. So all I can say, these spirits ziya-create-wa ngaleyo ndlela, even nala ngishilo ukuthi even ama-parts wey'lwane they also use to create those evil spirits zibe khona. Kodwa zona ezingishilo ngesinye isikhathi even for example ipartner yakho mangabe una lawo ma-problems wey'lwane or amathikoloshi, do you understand ukuthi mawuthandana naye nilalana, somehow wena ongenayo leyo nkinga uzoba nayo, you understand? So uyabo ukuthi kuleyo situation enjalo lo munye it's like imukeni katsela yathobala. It's not like yena uyithole from someone lo bekamdlela umona akafuna ukumathe. Uyithole from someone lo athi uyamthanda. But naye akepho aware ukuthi nami njengoba nginale nkinga I didn't know if ngitlo engage homosexually fana nokuthi naye ngiyamthelela. Usho ukuthi ngimkenyetsa because you understand, that's why sithi sex it's very spiritual. So njengoba spiritually people exchange ama-energies. So omunye makanama ama-energies amahle, wena ngapha lo omunye unama-energies angekho kahle amnyama, uyayibuka ukuthi izovala inhlanhla zakho, izoyenza ukuthi uthole ukuthi izinto zakho lo omunye lo into zakhe ezikhanya bengathi ziyathembisa into zakhe, athi solo ngalala naloya muntu izinto zami sezimnyama. So I'm trying to say le enye indlela yokuthi ngesinye isikhathi umuntu agcine azithola nesilwane okanye ne-evil spirit okanye nomoya omubi is because of uye wawuthola through i-sex. Uyayithola right. So ngesinye isikhathi ezinye zingena kanjalo, ngesinye isikhathi ezinye-ke umuntu akudlisa, akwenzela idliso. So umuntu makakwenzela idliso-ke thola ukuthi akusebenze ngedliso ukuthi lelo dliso lelo likwenza ukuthi usangane mhlawumbe ekhanda ugcine sowuhlanya, or lelo dliso lelo likwenza ukuthi nje ube yinto nje, ugcine sowungasazi ukuthi phambili nasemuva, ugcine sowuba umuntu nje oluze i-control or luze into enhle mhlawumbe osuke unayo. So amanye ama-spirits siyawathola ngaleyo ndlela even through lento yokubolekisana ngey'mpahla, because you understand impahla zomuntu sweat, une-sweat yakhe, so uthola ukuthi lowo muntu unamadimoni. Lo muntu ugo through ama-challenges, uboleka impahla zakhe. Wena unawo amadimoni nani, uboleka impahla zakhe soyazi mbatha umjuluko wakhe uyakungena, then you find yourself soba naleyo nkinga. So lento engizama ngisho ukuphendula umbuzo wakho ukuthi abantu bathola lezi zinto ngendlela engafani. So even though the names zihlukile, isilwane, umkhovi, ithikoloshi, evil spirit, but somehow they relate, these spirits. It's because into esuke ikhandiwa ngithi into esuke iyenziwe. So of course in terms of ukuzilapha indlela zakhona azifani, but i-purpose yazo ke mase zikhandiwe lezi zinto is to destroy or kill, yabo. Ngesinye isikhathi ke thola ukuthi lo muntu mayingene ngendlela yokuthi uyithole ekudleni, then mele simlaphe ngendlela ezoba right for yena. Lo munye uyithole through sexual intercourse, mele silaphe ngendlela. Lo munye uyithole ukuthi hayi lapha emsebenzini bathi hayi bafuna ukumkhipha, abasamfuni laphaya, babona kahle ukuthi uzophumelela mhlawumbe uzobaphatha, then bamthumezele ke nesilwane. So indaba yesilwane nani ukuyi-creator nani kujulile, but just giving you a idea ukuthi ziyenzwa kanjani and ngayiphi indlela. Yeah.
Abutino, thank you so much, man, with the Gamonzi. The insight of then to make us aware, because it's very important. Sometimes reshape ignorance.
Yeah.
You know, so I think more than anything it's to also how to know to be able to be immune to such things as well.
Yeah.
You know, so we really appreciate you to come through and just give us your another. Buffett, please let us know what we think. Hotman Figile today was nigeza uvo lwakhe nolwazi lwakhe about what he has experienced emsebenzini wakhe. So Buffett, if you, yes, as we always say, we give each other an opportunity to say if maybe you know what Hotman Naka is talking about, or maybe you contradict him to say, no, Siga, no, instead of judging, you know, instead of you know, let's have this amicable way of being able to balance each other, to say, look, this might be his experience, my experience, it's like this, and then we reach, I always say, we reach a common ground of agreement. At the end of the day, we're able to make a well-informed decision to say, look, when I listen to Abutili what the other person is saying, there's a common ground, there's something that they're saying, and then we're able to speak the same language. And it becomes easy for us to find solution when it's like this. So when it contradicts each other, it then creates a very big thing, which is called the confusion. Then we end up giving up and says, Suga, come with me. So we don't need that. We're not the people of confusion. That is why this podcast is alive today. So we're trying to eradicate all those things of confusion and misunderstanding, mishaps and contradictions and all of that. We want direction. Bafethu, thank you so much. Lapha emakhaya siyabonga. Abuti re lebula haholo.
Thokoza
Thank you,
mkhulu.
Shemon and Tat.
Thokoza.
Bafethu, please let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Let us know what you think, Bafethu. And yeah, please share our stories and come through and share your story and let us know what have you gone through, what are the experience and challenges, maybe on the similar job that Abuti is going through. Bafethu sangai. So to podcast nilting rekendra tatamula rababerakula. Ayo barikau fela. Thank you. Tata.